Ever pondered why in the ocean of financial trading, the stop loss is the lifeboat many experienced traders wouldn't dare to sail without? Today, we're diving deep into the world of futures trading on Binance, focusing particularly on the essential tool known as the stop loss. To grasp the importance of a stop loss, imagine this scenario. You're a sailor navigating the unpredictable waters of the futures market. Suddenly a storm hits. If you haven't prepared, the storm could sink your ship. But with a stop loss, you're setting a point of safety, a lifeboat that will save your investment from going under. Now let's demystify how to set a stop loss in Binance futures trading. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. If you don't have an account, create one. It's a simple process that requires an email address and a secure password. Step 2. Navigate to the Futures section. There, you'll find a variety of futures contracts that you can trade. Step 3. Choose the futures contract you want to trade. Once selected, you'll be taken to the trading interface. Step 4. On the right side of the interface, you'll find the Stop Limit tab. Click on it. This is where you'll set your stop loss. Step 5. Input the stop price. This is the price at which your stop loss will be triggered. Step 6. Input the limit price. This is the price at which your futures contract will be sold once the stop price is hit. Final step, click on Sell Short or Buy Long, depending on your trading position. This will activate your stop loss. And just like that, you've set a stop loss for your futures trading on Binance. It's a safety net, ready to catch your investment if the market takes a nosedive. In recap, setting a stop loss in Binance futures trading is an easy 7-step process. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Navigate to the Futures section and select the futures contract you want to trade. In the trading interface, click on the Stop Limit tab. Input your stop price and limit price. Finally, activate your stop loss by clicking on Sell Short or Buy Long. The stop loss is an indispensable tool in futures trading. It's your lifeboat in the stormy seas of the market.